Sawadee ka, Tukon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Dat, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Morning Billy! Good morning, Teacher Jama! Adika!
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, Teacher Ong! Good morning, Teacher Jen! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Makeup time! Morning, Teacher Ohayo gozaimasu! Good morning, Teacher Fern! Ni hao, jiao shang hao! How are you, Teacher Fern? It's nice to see you. Tonight. Maybe sometimes only, like I saw you in the office, or maybe I have a lot of class. 611, right? Always in 611. Then I said, did Teacher Tangmu move in another office? Oh. You have a lot of class in first floor. I see. That's why I noticed. Oh.
And another day, my new office,
Oh.
second building.
You have new office in second building?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Another building.
I saw Teacher in financial office, right?
Yeah.
You're working in financial office, Teacher
Yeah.
In what day?
Every day.
Every day? Every afternoon? Every day and every afternoon, Teacher Because I saw you wiping, like you're cleaning, right? Yeah. In the office?
Yeah.
Then I was shocked. I knocked the door because I will ask the staff office of our work permit refund. Then Teacher, what? Teacher, you're in the financial office. Sensei. Asakuhang nani otabimashita ka? Onachi desu. Anata wa Sandoichi. Nan desu ka? Watashi wa wakaranai? And I'm done with my makeup. Pupunta muna ako sa entrance gate namin para mag-duty. Morning, Teacher Ming! Ni hao! Jiao shang hao! Ow! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please pass all your assignments. Give me your assignments. Songan. Mamingan Leo. Mamileo Chimay. Is this all? What are the names of your family members?
My mother's name is Ice and my father's name is Steve.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Okay, how to read this one? E.g. in English. For example. For example. Parents, siblings, this one, ATC. ATC means etc. Okay, what are your favorite hobbies and activities, student? Why do you like to play football? Okay, sit down. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please do the assignment that teacher Ja gave you. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please submit all your assignments. Give me your assignments. Songan. May mingan, Leo? Okay, very good. Sit down. What are your goals for this school year? How about you? What are your goals for this school year? Okay, very good. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Songan. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. Please pass your assignment. Songan. What is your special talents or skills? Okay, very good. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. Please pass all your assignments. What's one thing you've always wanted to learn or try? If you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would they be? Again, please. What are your favorite subjects in school? Chob, Wicha, Alay. Tawalan pa sa tayo. What's one interesting or fun fact about you? Next, Packard. Your favorite quote or motto? Okay. What's your dream vacation destination? What is something interesting about you that not many people know? Can you give me an example of Chinese words that you've learned? Describe yourself in 3 words. Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay. What happened? Okay, goodbye and see you next week. Please return this to the owner. Thank you. Organ, please help me. Goodbye, Teacher Ming. Goodbye, Teacher Namtan. Sayonara, matashita. Goodbye, Teacher Ong.